Hello friends, welcome to Raja Tech TV. In this video, we are going to show AMD Ryzen 5 processor unboxing and specifications. AMD Ryzen processor 5, a best gaming and good creator performance processor. This is a different processor. AMD Ryzen 5 2600X processor, 6 core 12 thread processor, 4.2 GHz max boost with 3.6 GHz base. Discrete graphic cards require. AMD Ryzen processor, one of the best computer processor. Unboxing of AMD Ryzen 5 processor.
అంతేగా సరే కానీ లేదు మీరు దాని
అర్థం ఏది కావాలి. Please like the video and subscribe to Raja Tech TV.